For the last problem in this section, we have another negative exponent. So at the negative exponent, typically what I think about is you like move it to the denominator, but since we already have a fraction, what's easier to do is we can just take this fraction inside and we'll just flip it. So what was in the numerator goes to the denominator, what was in the denominator goes to the numerator. So we'll have 36 over 25, and then you'll just rewrite your fraction as a positive 1/2 instead. So now we know that as the square root of 36 over 25, which is just 6 over 5. Okay, and you can see these are reciprocals of each other. They're the exact same problem. The only difference was one was a positive exponent to begin with, and the other was negative. Okay. Rewrite using a radical symbol. So a radical symbol, that's like some sort of square root, cube root, fourth root, etc. So again, this is the power or the exponent. This is the index on the radical. So I have a cube root of x squared. And number 8, this is my power. And this is my index. So this is the fourth root of y to the 7th. And when we're doing one like this, if you have more inside than you have on the outside, so like your power is higher than your index number, that means we're able to simplify the root. So for every 4 that you have inside, you can take one out. And sometimes I'll show this, like if we wrote out all 7 of these y's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then for every 4 that you have inside, you can take one of them out. So like I would be able to take out one y, and then 3 remain on the inside. So I'd have to write a fourth root, and then 3 were stuck on the inside. And that's simplified radical form, is y times the fourth root of y to the 3rd, or y cubed. On something like number 9, a lot of people will think that this 5 is included. So that's why we also wrote number 10. You can see these are similar, but one of them has parentheses around the whole thing and the other one does not. So on number 9, this really means 5 times and then y to the 2/7. So the only thing that's being raised to the 2/7 power is the y. The 5 is just by itself, like a 5 to the 1st. So I would rewrite this one as 5 and then the 7th root of y squared. Do I have enough inside to take one out? No, I would need 7 or more to take out a y, and I don't have that. So this is done. I forgot to put a box around that one. Okay, and for 10, so this one, it is in parentheses, which means everything in here is being raised to the 2/7 power. So this is your 7th root of 5y squared. And then because these are both being squared, you can rewrite this as the 7th root of 25y squared. Okay, that's probably enough for that video. Pause.